I want to show you something that we see pretty often. This is actually a radiator that came out of a Freightliner. It looks similar to most other radiators. There's nothing really special about it, but what I want to show you is the coloration on the bottom, the pink color that's there. That's actually antifreeze that's dried up. This truck actually didn't have an active drip of coolant that was hitting the ground, but it was losing coolant over time. So what we notice is when you're seeing some crystallization or some pink dried up antifreeze, it's going to leak slowly. You're definitely not going to notice it while you're driving, even if it's parked. What's happening a lot of times is that it actually burns the coolant as it's leaking. So we'll see that color when we're just doing our visual inspections. This one obviously needed to be replaced. There was more than this issue going on. Also notice that on the fins of this radiator, you can see there's some circular damage to the fins. That's probably because something got caught either in the fan shroud, piece of debris. If a cooling fan blade goes bad, it can cause a very similar issue like that. Just a couple things to notate. But yeah, the leak on the bottom and the leak up on the top. These radiators have a plastic tank with a core here, and there's just an O-ring gasket that goes on this seam and on the bottom on this seam right here. So they're common wear points, just normal wear and tear, mileage, age, idle time. Nothing you can do to really prevent that except to just keep an eye on it and replace it when it does leak.